Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to put a Tuya smart device into pairing mode. Let's get started. First, on your iPhone and open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. Now plug in or turn on your Tuya device. Wait a few seconds. After turning it on, must Tuya device enter pairing mode like this. Press and hold the power button. Hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. Pause the device carefully. When the lights start blinking quickly, the device is in now pairing mode. If your device does not have a reset button, turn the device off and on usually 3 to 5 times. After this, the lights should start flashing fast. That flashing light means pairing mode is active. Now go back to the app and tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. A small menu will appear. From the menu, tap on Add Device. The app will now detect the device automatically. If it does not, you can select the device type manually. And that's it. Now you know how to enter pairing mode on a Tuya device using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.